Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that want to schedule their streams to YouTube or any other platform using Streamlabs, but the calendar isn't there. Maybe it was there before, or maybe you think it's a premium feature and you have to level up and pay that extra fee. Well, we've got you covered. Without any further ado, let's get started. It's not a premium feature. It's a feature that has to be turned on and only available on certain platforms. So so as you can see here, there's no calendar here. So when I click go live, you want to turn on your accounts that actually have that feature available, and then you'll see, as you can see, my streams are scheduled behind there. Instagram doesn't offer scheduled streams, but YouTube does. And as you can see, as soon as I turn on YouTube, that calendar appeared right here. And then I believe, I'm not sure if TikTok does. We'll turn it off and turn it on. TikTok doesn't. Facebook, I believe, does. But I think you need over 1,000 followers, which I don't have. But you can do it if you have that many followers on Facebook. It'll turn on and activate the calendar like you just saw. But for me, I'm going to turn on YouTube and TikTok because I'm on TikTok and no dancing, but I'm not going to confirm and go live. But when I close it, you can see now the calendar is here. And when you click it, so that, if you click out of the mode that you're in, you're pretty much golden moving forward. And if you can see here, we got 2. So when you do YouTube, you'll see 2. Don't worry about it. Don't delete it, because one is for landscape mode. And if you scroll over the other's in portrait. If you have it turned on, I have mine turned on to stream in both formats. And that is pretty much it. And that's how you turn on and activate things so that you can schedule your streams moving forward so that your audience can plan around it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.